That's an awesome group, isn't it? Just really thankful. This is a moving day giveaway. Since I haven't done one for a long time, probably over 6 weeks, maybe 8 weeks. I don't know what number it'll be, but it'll be the next one up here. And this is going to be a giveaway for a lot of these pieces. If you're interested, you get to have them. Simple. I've got to move them on. I've got to move things around in my collection. These hammerstones are going to be in this giveaway. At least I think I'm going to give 2 of them away right now. I'm not sure. You know how moving day giveaways work. I've done over 10. Everything that I put over here to my left is going to be going out the door to somebody. And there's some great artifacts here. And I'm going to tell you exactly how you can win these. And because it's really going to be a significant group, as I can see here, and this, I mean, for 2 months, I've been collecting, and you know, this is what I found, and I'm thankful. I can't say this is all I found. Sometimes in 2 months, I mean, I find a whole lot more, and I've got to keep them going, keep them moving. But just great stuff here. I mean, they speak for themselves. It's a great group of 3, isn't it? Maybe I'll do my profile picture on that. I'm not sure. You never know, you know. But then there's the hammerstones. So let's get rolling here. I'm going to initially go ahead and tell you exactly the way that you can win these that I divide up here. And I'm going to go ahead and immediately take a orange quartzite hammerstone. And I think they were abrading with this strip here because it's worn off like the edges. Not sure. Some breaks on the old breaks on the front edge, back edge, just a really great tool. This color is true. I'm going to put it right over here. Look at that color. The way you can win these today, as I get these things all positioned out, is all you need to do is tell me what your favorite 2014 or 2015 Indian trace artifact find was. Now I know that might seem hard, but we have our digital footprint here. We can go back in time to find out videos we've done, but I want to know what your favorite Indian trace 2014 or 2015 find was. It'll be worthwhile, and if you just share it with me and tell me why it was your favorite for 2014 or your favorite for 2015, either one of those 2 years, then a lot of these artifacts will be yours, and it's proven itself out. Many of you out there know you'll get it pretty quick order. I'll go ahead and get these out the door and move forward, because as the spring breaks and it's coming, there's more, thousands and thousands more of these out there. Great piece of quartz here. Couple pieces. Look at this piece, longer base than it is on the tip. Interesting little point. I've seen these before. And you know, I do keep a lot. For those of you who are new out there, you say, well, how on earth? See, I did move those to the left. The ones I'm going to keep, I'm going to move over here to my right, no doubt. For example, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this shark's tooth that I found at the strip, but for now, just to start the group over there, I'm going to keep it, put it over there, no problem. And same with this drill, just to get things rolling. Although it is broken here, no doubt. Drills are very rare. When you're not sure and what have you, I just go ahead and put it over there. Absolutely nice. Now, here's a great piece that I found at North Gillfield in rhyolite. Now, it's really not too hard of a deal, not too big of an order to ask. If you followed Indian trace, even if you haven't, you can go back in time. It's a nice piece. Look at the edge work on this. And maybe even look through some of the videos. Why not? And just tell me what you think your personal favorite is and why. For 2014 or 2015. That's how you're going to get all these. I'm going to start to speed this up. And we're going to make the process happen. Some great points here that I want to get out the door. I want a good home for these. That's why, you know, I make people work just a little bit. Put skin in the game if they want to get some great artifacts, and I think these are fantastic. Now, I found many more, as many of you know, on Indian Trace, and they've gone into a different storage, into a different means that I have for delineating artifacts and putting them in places. Look at those two pieces. Fun stuff. And of course, here's a piece from the Cove with the longer base. I'm going to go ahead and put that over here for now. Something about those pieces that I'm still curious about. These two pieces, Morrow Mountain and a little piece here, are great pieces. They're going to go over on my left. I mean, already, that's a deal. And so, you know, just for fun, I'm just curious what you might go back in time and consider your favorite. Tell me why it's a favorite video find. Could be the comments on it. It could be the video. It could be the artifact itself. I don't know. Who knows? Look at these pieces. Piece of sugar quartz here. Guilford. Nice 3 pieces here. Found this just the other day at Notchville. Always like the bevel on this right here. It's an interesting little stem point. Well made. Put that over here on my right. Why not give them away if I got to find good homes and I just don't have all the room, don't want to take the room, and I have a lot to keep. I mean, I do get unfortunate enough. This is a piece of sugar quartz to give you an up-close look if you're interested. And you know, if you're watching this, you're seeing a lot going over here, but I more than once had giveaways where people say, immediately their first comment is, how do I win? How do I get those? I'm telling you. And I tell people, I say, listen to the video. It tells you exactly how you can have them. So I want to go ahead and speed this thing up. We got a Guilford here. We've got a great piece of quartz. I used to put these in my C3 artifacts for different types of giveaways, but this is just an easy way to keep them going and to get them into some good hands for a home. Not half as loud as it sounds, trust me. We're not going to break these things. They've been pushed around and busted up enough. But as these points keep piling up, we've got a good group over here. I'm going to say one last time as we keep dividing these as you're looking. The reason, or the way, the way we can win these. Look at these pieces of rhyolite. Go back to the year 2014 for Indian Trace or 2015 and tell me your favorite. Find your favorite video for that year. And tell me why. Then as the teacher in my heart, I'll just go ahead and listen, and I will subjectively choose, as I many times do. And all of these, as you can see right here, here's a great point from the clay pot. Which direction should I go with that? I know everybody's going, put it over on the left, if you're interested. I like the way they made that, so I'll go ahead and put it over here. Keep my group at least a little solid for now. It's a little group compared to this. Look at that. And we got 2 big hammerstones. I do know this piece that's worked off here. Nice. Worked off here. Look at how that's worked. Great, great tool. People know what they're looking for. And these are so hard. It took a while of smacking on rhyolite or whatever to break those, to just wear those off. Yep, I put it over on my left. A bunch of hammerstones outside. Here's a nice piece of rhyolite. Some other stones right here. And of course, this is a great piece from the clay pot. I'm going to put it over on my right. Another piece over here on my right. See these? Nice piece. Interesting. I remember finding that at Mecca. There's a big group over there, everybody. This is an interesting piece because this piece, I think, was broken off tip, and then they went ahead and repurposed it. Put those notches on specifically. Unique point for now. Of course, I'm just going to sure up my group here and keep that. Then there's a strong point right here I just found the other day at Notchville. Notchville 2. There are reasons why I put things in certain places, because that's a solid group. So here on Indian Trace, this is a moving day giveaway. Big deal. Big group. Think about it. Now, yes, there's this stone. I have a friend who I think will really like this stone because it's got a lot of character to it. A lot of work on its edges. Some really pronounced dimples for those who are nappers to consider. You could feel them there much more than you could see. I can't get the real reflection of it, I don't think, or the shadow. But that's a nice piece of quartzite. A lot of character to that, so I have somebody in mind for that. I'm going to go ahead and keep that aside. I like that stone. I might keep it myself, I don't know. Those are the keepers for now. These are the ones that are going out the door. Moving Day giveaway. If you're interested, taking a look at these. If you want to have some great artifacts for a collection from North Carolina, consider how to win and enter today. Appreciate it. Hope you win out there.